Every cashew journey begins under the quiet light of dawn. Skilled hands step into rhythm with the land. Precision at harvest protects quality from the very first moment. Each basket carries hours of patient labor.
Harvest meets order at the first checkpoint.
Measured, logged, and prepared for the next stage. Nothing wasted. Every part finds its purpose. The raw harvest prepares to leave the field.
From soil to supply chain, the journey advances.
The harvest begins its measured journey forward. Distance turns raw effort into industrial promise. Every vibration carries fragile value.
Processing begins where scale replaces soil.
Control and consistency define the next phase.
Every entry is logged, every load accounted for.
Raw cashews cross the threshold of transformation.
Precision begins long before processing starts. The handoff from field to factory is complete.
At the factory edge, scale takes control.
Mechanical strength replaces manual strain.
Every path is designed for flow. Raw material enters a controlled world.
From sunlight to steel, the environment shifts.
Human judgment guides automated systems.
Gravity delivers the first step of processing. Movement becomes method. Control ensures consistency from the start. Before processing, purity must be restored.
Motion separates the unwanted from the essential.
Airflow protects both product and process. Controlled agitation refines the raw harvest. Clean water completes the cleansing cycle.
Balance is restored before heat is applied. Human eyes reinforce mechanical accuracy. Only approved material moves ahead.
Preparation is complete. Transformation awaits. Heat prepares the shell for separation.
Controlled pressure softens nature's toughest barrier.
Precision heat sets the stage for accuracy. Alignment is the key to clean separation. Steel meets shell with measured force. Each cut advances the process forward. Human precision completes what machines begin.
Value is isolated. Waste is removed.
The core is revealed, ready for refinement. Heat now defines texture and flavor.
Time and temperature work in balance.
Consistency is measured in degrees. Heat gives way to controlled cooling.
Cooling locks in structural integrity.
Heat releases what no longer belongs.
Air replaces abrasion in modern processing.
Byproducts are managed with equal care. Transformation is complete. Precision begins. Automation now takes the lead. Every kernel is digitally inspected.
Decisions made in milliseconds.
Uniformity defines commercial value.
Safety is verified without slowing flow.
Only compliant product advances.
Human oversight guides intelligent systems.
Precision reunites the process. Technology hands control to refinement. Final refinement begins with careful observation.
Human judgment remains irreplaceable.
Only perfection is allowed to pass. Surface quality defines visual appeal. Gentle motion creates consistency.
Refinement transitions to measurement.
Accuracy ensures uniform packaging. Every batch meets exact standards. Precision hands over to verification. Verification begins where precision is measured. Every batch speaks through a sample. Moisture defines shelf life and safety.
Moisture defines shelf life and safety.
Appearance reflects processing discipline.
Safety is confirmed beyond what eyes can see.
Traceability secures trust.
Only verified quality moves forward.
Validation completes the cycle. The final stage awaits its turn. From validation to packaging, the final transformation begins. Precision ensures consistency in every package.
Every bag is tightly sealed, clearly identified.
Organization transforms finished goods into ready inventory.
Protection secures the product for transport.
Inventory waits, ready for distribution. The journey continues beyond the factory walls.
And this is how modern factories produce cashew nuts from start to finish.
And this is how modern factories produce cashew nuts from start to finish.